Hello, creative mind. Welcome home. I'm Survival. In the last class, I showed you how you can use the background changer app to change the background of the female figure we created. Today, I'll be showing you how you can still use the same app to change the background of your personal pictures and how to come up with amazing designs of your pictures. So, without wasting much time, let's head into the app. This is the background changer app. You might need to put off your data to avoid too much adverts displaying on the ad. So this is it. So here I'll go to gallery. Okay, my studio pictures. Okay, I think I love this. I will pick this. So it's performing the magic now. You can see it. Now it has removed the background of the image. So that's it. All these things are backgrounds you can use. Which one should I use? Let me try. Okay, should I try? Let me try this drip. I think this drip is okay. Let me try this. Okay, so you can see the effect it created on my picture, and I think I love it. Just that I want to increase my picture a little bit. I want to increase it a little bit. Okay, so this is the effect it created, and I think I love this. I love it. So what the next thing I want to do now is to click on next. So this is the next button here. Okay, so I'll click on it. I want to crop this picture. It's having too much spaces here. Click on crop. I'll hold the edge and draw it. Okay, I'll draw it to something like this. I think I love this. I love keeping my designs as simple as I can. So this is it. I'll just keep it as simple as this. I'll click on the OK button. This is the OK button here. I'll click on it. Okay. So now with that, I'll go to text. This is text. I'll select one of the templates here. Which one should I go with? Which one should I go with? Which one should I pick? Let me pick this. So just write survival there. Survival. So and click done. So I'll pull it down, I'll hold it and draw it down. So with that, I'm having an amazing design of my picture that looks so simple. I love my design simple. So having done that, I can just easily click on this download icon. So I'll click on it to download my picture. So the image is already saved in my gallery. So I now have a marvelous design. So that's it. So that's how. Anyway, we'll take a second one again. Okay, let me show you another way again. Okay, I'll select the same picture again. So it will do the magic and remove the background. You can see it. Very perfect image. So now let me try this. I'll be trying. Okay, let me try recording this time around. I'll pick recording. So let me put on my data in order to access the other pictures online. These pictures are good, but I need to check more online. Okay, so it's loading. Wow, this one is marvelous. I think I love this one here. Let me pick it. So I'll click on use. So let me off my data to avoid too much adverts. Okay, so now I want to increase the size of my picture so that at least it will fill in the space. I want to increase the size. Okay, I think I love it like this. You see how good and amazing it's looking. So I'll click this arrow to access the stroke. This is the stroke arrow and the shadow arrow. So I'll click on it. So you see stroke. I'll select on the stroke. Yeah, you see it's showing me drag to move stroke. I want, if it is like this, it will not be so beautiful. So I'll drag to move this stroke. I'll move it to something like this. I think I love it this way. Let me reduce the size of the stroke. Let me reduce the size. So just something like this. I think I love it. I love the stroke like this. So I'll click on next. Sorry. So I'll click on next. This is the next button. So I'll click on it. I'll click on next. So you see it. Let me increase the picture again. Wow. I think I love this. I love it. So it will just be something as simple as this, as simple, and it's looking so beautiful. So that is it. Should I put up any write-up there? It's more like a photo editing. I just love the way this picture is, and I'm very, very comfortable with it. So I'll just click on next up here, and I'm having my picture. So I can just click on the download button up again to save my picture. So the picture is already saved in my gallery. So these are just samples of what you can do using the background changer app. There are a lot of amazing things you can do with it. So I'm not going to show you everything. You have to explore the app and see and explore all the backgrounds, many of the backgrounds there, and see what you can do using the app. So thank you so much for sticking around, and thank you so much for watching. So in the next class, I'll be introducing you to how to make this business cards. Subsequent classes will be on business card, how to make business cards using your mobile phone, how to make amazing flyers using your mobile phone. And then that is it. So see you next class. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.